So grieving in nature to me is it's kind of like life's blood almost. Being in nature is something that has helped me through an awful lot of different chapters in my life. Kind of whenever things have gone pear-shaped, I lean heavily on nature. And most recently, I suffered a pretty significant tragedy, the loss of my home and my life partner in a fire. And I went back into the woods. I went back out to the beach and spent time out there, not necessarily looking for answers, because I know answers aren't out there, but perspectives are out there in droves. And I have the time and the quiet and the space to process that grief and to see cycles of life in nature on a micro scale of minutes, hours, days, seasons, years. And those things have been infinitely beneficial to me. And that's what grieving in nature is for me.